Hello, and welcome back. Let me ask you something. Are you strong inside, or do small problems break you? Do you control your thoughts, or do your thoughts control you? Take a slow breath. Look inside your mind. Many people look calm on the outside, but inside they feel stress, fear, and confusion. They want peace, but their thoughts are too loud. They want confidence, but doubt speaks first. Here is the truth. Mental strength is not something you are born with. It is something you build, and today you will start building it. This is not just English practice. This is your mind training. So breathe in, relax, and speak with me. Tip 1. Calm is power. Being calm is not weakness. It is control. When you are calm, you think clearly. You choose better actions. Let me show you. David gets bad news. His first reaction is anger. He wants to react fast, but he pauses. He breathes slowly. He says to himself, I can handle this. Instead of reacting, he responds, and everything changes. You can do the same. Try this simple method. Stop. Breathe in. Slow. Breathe out. Longer. Name your feeling. I feel angry. I feel nervous. Then choose one small action. Walk, drink water, write one positive thought. Calm is a skill, and every time you practice it, you become stronger. Tip 2. Control overthinking. Overthinking is a trap. It feels like thinking, but it leads nowhere. Imagine this. You send a message, no reply. Your mind starts, did I say something wrong? Are they ignoring me? Did I fail? But later, you learn the truth. They were just busy. The problem was never real. Overthinking creates pain from imagination. When this happens, say, stop. This thought is not useful. Then move your body. Action breaks the cycle. Small action, nurturing clear mind. Tip 3. Build self-respect, not attention. Many people today want attention, likes, views, approval, but attention is temporary. Self-respect is permanent. Lucas loves music. At first, he posts every day. When people react, he feels good. When they don't, he feels empty. One day, he stops posting. He focuses only on practice. Day after day, alone. Months later, he becomes excellent. Now, his confidence is real, not from others, but from himself. Say this, I respect my effort. Again, I respect my effort. Tip 4. Do hard things. Comfort feels good, but it keeps you the same. Growth lives outside comfort. Anna wants to speak English, but she feels afraid. Her voice shakes. Still, she tries. One sentence per day. Simple, small, but powerful. After weeks, she improves. After months, she speaks with confidence. Fear didn't disappear. She became stronger. Do one hard thing today. Just one. That is enough. Tip 5. Be patient. We want fast results, fast success, fast change. But real growth is slow, and that is good. Imagine this: 10 minutes of practice every day. It feels small, but after months, everything changes. Your brain learns, your voice improves, your confidence grows like a tree. First, it builds roots. No one sees them, but they are everything. Say this: slow progress is still progress. Again, slow progress is still progress. Tip 6. Stop comparing. Comparison steals your peace. When you compare, you forget your own progress. 2 learners. One speaks fast but makes mistakes. The other speaks slowly but clearly. After time, clarity wins. Everyone has a different path. Your journey is yours. Focus on your growth, not someone else's highlight. Say this: my time will come. Tip 7. Practice gratitude. Gratitude changes your mind. It helps you see light, even in hard moments. A woman loses her job. She feels lost, but she starts cooking. Every day, she improves. Later, she opens a small business, new life, new purpose. Gratitude didn't remove the problem, but it gave her direction. Try this every day. Write 3 things you are thankful for. Simple things matter: your health, your time, your progress. Say this: I am thankful. You just trained your English and your mind. Step by step, you are becoming stronger. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You need to keep going. Come back to this practice. Listen again. Repeat again. Each time, you improve. Each time, you grow. Keep speaking. Keep building. Keep believing. Your strong mind is coming. See you next time.